Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.11 from page number 69 of structure of atom, right? So let's read this statement. A 25 watt bulb emits monochromatic yellow light of wavelength of 0.57 mu meter. That means micrometer. Calculate the rate of emission of quanta per second. Okay. So in this question, they have given you a monochromatic yellow light whose wavelength is 0.57 micrometer and it is emitting total amount of energy, that is 25 watt. Okay. So you have to find the number of photons. That means the rate of emission of quanta per second. That means how many number of photons are emitted per second, right? So in this question, first of all, we'll see the total amount of energy, right? So energy of monochromatic yellow light equal to 25 watt. That means 25 joule per second energy is emitted by this monochromatic yellow light. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second, right? Now we have to find the energy of one photon. Then we can find the number of photons emitted per second, right? So for energy of one photon, we'll use the formula. You can write energy of one photon. It is denoted by E and equal to hc by lambda, because we are having wavelength, so we have to find the relation according to the wavelength, right? So wavelength is equal to 0.57 micrometer and this h is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. C is velocity of light, so 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now if you see, we are having velocity of light in meter per second, but wavelength is in micrometer, right? So first of all, we have to convert this micrometer into meter so that we can cancel the units, right? So 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. So you can write 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter, right? You can put the value over here. So 0.57 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Now we'll put the values. So E equal to h, that is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second into this c is velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second divided by this lambda, that is 0.57 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. I'll cancel this meter with this, second with second inverse. Units of energy should be in joule. Definitely we are having units in joule. So when you will multiply 6.626 with 3, the answer will be 19.878, right? So we are having powers 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8. Now this 10 raised to power minus 6, when I'll take this power in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 6 divided by 0.57 and units joule. So when you'll divide 19.878 with 0.57, the answer will be 34.873 into 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8 into 10 raised to power 6 units joule only. I have to convert this 34.873 in terms of scientific notation. So according to the scientific notation, there should be only one non-zero digit on the left side of the decimal. So what I'll do, I'll simply displace this decimal from right to left. And when we displace the decimal from right to left, power should be positive. So 3.4. Now I just want to round off this value, right? So for this, I'll consider this decimal up to 2 digits, right? So this is 7, that is more than 5. So what I'll do, I'll simply add 1 in 8. So it will be 3.49 into 10 raised to power 1, because I am displacing decimal from right to left and it is up to 1 digit. So power should be positive, into 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8 into 10 raised to power 6 units joule. So these powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. So E equal to 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 34 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6, right? So E equal to 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 34. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, it will be 15. Minus 34 plus 15, it should be 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So this is energy of one photon. Now we will apply unitary method and find the number of photons that are emitting per second, right? So you can write energy of photons emitted per second equal to 25 joule per second, right? Energy of one photon, it is 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Now number of photons, or you can also write as rate of emission of quanta per second, right? So number of photons emitted per second, it will be energy of photons emitted per second. This is total energy of photons actually, right? Divided by energy of one photon, right? So you don't have to be confused. So you can write total energy over here, right? Total energy of photons emitted per second, right? So total energy of photons emitted per second, it is 25 joule per second divided by energy of one photon, that is 3.49 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. I'll cancel this joule with this. So when you'll divide 25 with 3.49, the answer should be 7.17. This 10 raised to power minus 19, when I'll take this value in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 19 photons are emitted per second, right?